Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about some few videos that I saw on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram that I think you need to watch. My number one today, William Ucheba. Number two, I'm Fast the Bad Guy. Number three, I'm Don Jazzy. Number four is Stone to Decade. Number five are people who are bored at home. Number six, the guys from Europe who receive free money. I'll be right back shortly.
Featuring gospel artists, gospel ministers, interviews, music countdown, vox pop, or sampled opinions of people on trendy topics, reactions and interactions, artists of the week, and what have you. A musical journey of gospel artist profile, biodata, their associations with the gospel music industry, SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Hey guys, welcome to my studio. My name is Micah David Akbe. This is Sound of Mercy SOM TV. I want to say a big thank you for those of you who have subscribed. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, you can do so right now. And if you're watching on Instagram, please help us to grow. We're going to be having a lot of fresh content here, but the only way we can be encouraged to do so is by you helping us to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page on Sound of Mercy. And I want to say a big thank you for those of you who like our previous videos. And if you know you've not watched it, kindly go back and scroll down and watch it. You will see it right on the channel.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Our number one today, I'm going to be talking about those who I felt should be celebrated on social media. The world should know about, Nigeria and Africa should know about. Our number one today, in fact, not our, it's my number one. I'm his major one fan because indeed he has touched life, and I felt I need to talk about him because you hardly see people like this. It's not all about those celebrities that go online giving giveaway online, but this guy has indeed touched my heart. And every time I watch his video, I felt inspired. I felt that the future is bright. Our number one is William Ucheba. He's an actor, an Nollywood actor, a comedian, a philanthropist. And I think this brother has done so much and it's worth to be celebrated. Yeah. So let's take a quick look of his videos during this lockdown period, during this coronavirus period. Those he has touched and he has really affected. I'll be right back shortly.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
We go come take another compound so that everybody go get. Just stay inside your house, we will bring it to you, to your own door. Do you understand? That is what I want to do. So now working with your chairman, everybody go your house.
Get more relief materials, and I am also urging you in any little way you can to do same, because this is the period I believe we all need to come together as a family to fight this thing off our land. And unity, I believe we can effectively do that. And by doing that, God will bless you and God will heal our life. Amen.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Welcome back. Wow, you can see what this brother has done. This is what I'm talking about. This is what we talk about giveaway. Whoever have data online, most of you can attest that Instagram consume more data than Facebook or WhatsApp. So if you say people you can buy data to come to Instagram for giveaway, that means it's not right. It's not right. It's not right, because you have money to hit. For you to buy data for giveaway, to come and look for celebrities that are doing giveaway, and those celebrities that are doing giveaway online, I think it's not right. This is not the right time. There are poor people in your neighborhood, there are poor people in your street, there are poor people who you need to support, not people who have money to buy data to come on Instagram. So you doing giveaway online, I think you're just doing it for more fame, more popularity. I'm not saying giveaway is bad, because if maybe you want to give back to the people, but not this time. Whoever have money to go on Instagram have money to eat. I don't see a point giving people money that already have money to buy data to go on Instagram. The real giveaway is by going to the people who don't have money to even buy data to come online, who don't even know if Instagram exists or Facebook exists or Twitter exists. That is the real giveaway. My brother, I want to say a big thank you, and I appreciate you for your kind gesture, and I appreciate you for what you're doing. You are a blessing to humanity. May God bless you. If we can come together like this, this is what we call charity begins at home. Not doing giveaway online for people to be following you before you can give them 5,000, 10,000. For during this same period, he decided to do 1 million naira challenge to all the celebrities, and most of the celebrities that are doing giveaway, 1 million naira challenge. And so let's see what Fast has to say.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Shout out to Williams Uchemba on the 1 million naira challenge. He has officially challenged me, and we will be reaching out to people that are affected by this lockdown, people that can't fend for themselves, people that can't get food because probably they work on a daily basis and there's no way for them to get food this period. I have made a cash donation to the Williams Uchemba Foundation, and I'm calling on my friends to do the same. I officially challenge Basket Mouth, Adekule Gold, Simi, Shody the Turnip King, Cess the Problem Kid, Boliloma. These six friends of mine. I challenge you to do what you can. It doesn't have to be 1 million naira, as is stated on the challenge, but whatever it is that you can, just help out.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Is it Paul or Peter? Whoever. How can you be doing giveaway online this period? Don't you have communities? Don't you have people to visit? Don't you have brothers and sisters, cousins? Are you not from a village? That same money you're doing giveaway online, if you take that money to your village, do you know what you have done? So you decide to give people you don't know online and leave the immediate people you're supposed to give to. So during this same period of 1 million naira challenge, Don Jazzy got this to say.
My good friend William Uchemba, he challenged a few of us to donate 1 million naira to try and feed some people. These are people that are in the slums. These are people that eat from hand to mouth. These are people that can't get food at all to eat on a daily basis. This next coming days is going to be crazy. So I accept the challenge, and I in turn challenge a few of my friends as well. These are crazy times. I know it's tough for everybody, but I pray that we get through this one way or the other. Guys, try and stay safe.
You know, not Don Jazzy.
Don't Papa J. Don't Papa J.
Give me money, so make I buy things, can't give you that.
Don't Papa J.
So I just want to talk and make people know, say, Don Jazzy hand also pay for this road.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Thank you very much, Don Jazzy, for for supporting the movement, and every other celebrity out there, you can as well support this movement. You can as well support this same movement. It's not like you must bring 10 million, 1 million, 500,000, whatever you have. This is what we talk about. This is when we mean charity begins. So we need to support people, not people who have money to come on Instagram. Whoever you see or you saw on Instagram, they already have money to eat. How can I spend, for instance, I have 1,000 naira and I decide to use it to buy data instead of me to use it to buy food? Doesn't make sense. So you doing giveaway, telling people, follow me on Instagram. Some people will put more than 50 accounts. Follow this one, 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 before you can earn just 5,000. It's wickedness. This is not what we need this period. Whatsoever you have, give to your immediate need. When you give to your immediate need, then we are already winning. Thank you very much, Don Jazzy, for supporting this. And according to what Don Jazzy said, if you're a celebrity out there, you can as well support this challenge. Me too, I'm supporting this challenge, 1 million naira challenge. Not because I get them, I don't have it, but I'm supporting. You understand? When I mean support, this is what we're actually talking about. Thank you, Don Jazzy. Thank you, Faz. And thank you, William Ucheba.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
The next video you're going to be watching right now is Tonto Dike. Tonto Dike is a Nollywood actress who have a foundation. She have a heart of gold. So ever since I've been following her, and I felt, oh, I need to talk about her, because during this time she's indeed has shown much support to humanity than any other celebrities that we know about, because she took a time to visit the people. She has been doing this, not like it's today she started doing this, you understand? But then, this time, she put in all her best to make sure people who need food are being met too. If you truly you're a celebrity and you want to support, go out there to support someone. Go out there, see. Let's see some of the video clips and the pictures of Tonto Dike, what she has done so far.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching. SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Wow, thank you very much, Auntie Tutolet, for your kind heart. I really appreciate you for taking time to support the needy out there. You're such a heart of gold. You're a beautiful soul. You have a beautiful soul. God will replenish you, and all your team who put end to end, those who are supporting you behind the scene to make this old dream come up. You and William Ucheba. I think it's time for Nigerians to know that indeed there are other people doing it behind the scene, which we don't know. But then we're totally against those that are doing giveaway online this period. There are people in your area that you need to support. Thank you very much, Tutolet. Thank you very much, Tonto Dike. God bless you for supporting people this period. This is what we call impact. This is what we call charity begins at home. For what you have done so far, you're a beautiful soul, and God will bless you and give you long life and prosperity. And my heart desire and my team behind the camera right now, our wish is, may God answer all your secret prayers in Jesus' name. And these are the kind of people we want, Tonto and Uche. And those of you guys who are already supporting, like for instance Faz, the bad guy, there are other couple of people I don't know, but if guess what, you can drop it on the comment section below to let me know that yes, this person is supporting, this person is supporting. Why don't you mention this person? Like one of my bros, He's not a celebrity, he's not an entertainer who I need to flash his picture in this. NSBB Nimbo, he has a foundation, NSBB Nimbo, who is going to the rural area to support people as well. I need to talk about it. This is my blood brother, which is not like he paid me to do this, but then he has done so well for, in a short period of time, extending love of giving. Instead of giving, whoever that does give away online do not have love for humanity at this point in time. Doing giveaway online is not necessary. You have to go to the rural areas, you have to go to those people who don't have access to even know what is called Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Thank you very much, Bebe Nimbo. Thank you very much to DK. Thank you very much, William Ucheba. And thank you, Fast the Bad Guy. Thank you, on Jazzy. And if you think I did not mention some people you want me to mention who are doing the same thing that I just mentioned, you can put them on the comment section below. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, YouTube, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook as well. Please follow us. That's how we can do more videos.
SOM, Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.